everyone. I'm outside today for a change, doing some serious shooting. Bought this 2 years ago because it's kind of cute. I do have a grandson. I don't know if actually I have a grandson and a granddaughter too. I don't know if one of them will ever be interested in shooting. But I bought this little, what is this thing? Cricket 22. And it comes with a peep sight on it. I'll try to take a couple close-ups of it so you can look at it better if you wanted to. And I'd never shot the thing before. And I want to do some muskrat hunting. And I thought, you know, that'd be awful good in the kayak. Light, short to carry. And I got a target set up here at 25 yards. And it's shooting a hair to the right, and I just want to make sure that it is the gun doing it and not me before I move the sight a little bit. Or shooting to the left, excuse me. Works a lot better when you cock it. When you load this, you have to manually cock it afterwards, which I assume is also the safe. I haven't tried uncocking it. Seems to work all right. I don't know if you could see that or not. Seems to work all right. I didn't pay a whole hell of a lot for this. Enough, I guess. 180 at the time. Maybe 169. But you know, a guy could hunt squirrels with that thing. I'll shut this off. He is definitely shooting to the right. Now I shot these three at about 15 yards just to get an idea. And I don't know where that guy came from. But these 5 are definitely to the right. So I want to slide that sight over a little bit and see if that doesn't straighten her up there. Anyway, we'll go back and do that.